Hi friends, in this video I will be showing you what makes this V15 version of the Coin98 Super Wallet special and why you should be excited about it. If this is your first time using the app, go to Google Play Store or Apple Store and download the app for free. It's absolutely free. This V15 version comes with a lot of amazing features like new user interface and delightful experiences, as you will find out soon. It also comes with the Coin98 Messenger features plus CYPHEUS AI Assistant. It comes with a Zen Profile and many more, as you will see in a minute. Now that you have downloaded the Coin98 Super Wallet V15 version, let me take you into the workstation and I will see you after this review. To download the app, open it and then wait for it to load. Alright guys, so once it loads up, now click on the set dark theme. Alright, then proceed, then click on English and click on next, then click on Super Wallet and click on continue. Alright, so then set up your password. Set up your password and proceed. Alright, so now click on login with social wallet or hot wallet, or even skip the process entirely. Then the next thing here is review the terms and service. Then click on the box there, tick the box and click on continue. So now guys, we are back to the home page. Now you can click on add a new wallet. So you can import your existing wallet or create a new one. Click on hot wallet and click on continue. Alright, so you can choose here. I will choose multi-chain, alright, or any other chain you want. Click on continue. Then you can then import your existing wallet with the seed phrase, or you can create a new one, as I've said. So you have created your wallet, you have imported the wallet guys. So let's proceed. So you can also click on this start to review your wallet. Alright, let's move on. So click on the fourth icon here. Alright, so here you can go to any decentralized exchanges. It's called the app, so you can go to any site here. Alright, like let's say for example PancakeSwap, Finance, or any other decentralized exchange that you want to go. Alright, so but because of time, let's just go back to the home page and continue. Alright, so from the home page, click on the last icon here. This is where we are actually going for today. Alright, so wait for it while it loads and we're going to get there. Now you can see from the first one here we have CYPHEUS Assistant, and the second one we have the Coin98 live support. Alright, but we are going with the first one here, which is CYPHEUS Assistant. We want to show you the power of the CYPHEUS Assistant Messenger. Alright, okay guys, so as you can see here, you can ask CYPHEUS any question about crypto as you want. Alright, so for example, let's say what is crypto? You can see what it's going to bring out for us guys. This is so powerful, powered by AI guys. Alright, so it's loading. Let's wait for it. And boom guys, see there, crypto, it gives you all the information about the crypto as we have asked. How powerful is that? Alright, so let's ask another question. Let's say how can I start my, or let's say how can I buy my first cryptocurrency? All right, so you can use this tool as an assistant, right, just to guide you. You get the point, most especially if you're a newbie or even an intermediate crypto user. So as you can see, it's going to give you another powerful answer. So lovely, so exciting. This, wow, look at that guys, it gives you all the steps that you need to buy your first cryptocurrency. Wow, how lovely is this guys, so powerful. So you can see how easy, how useful this application is inside the Super Wallet, particularly the V15 version. How interesting is that? All right guys, so let's go back. Okay, so from your wallet here, you can also explore this app. You can click on my one ID to link. For example, if you have an existing one ID domain name, so for example is mine, also I'm going to link it with my wallet right now. So you can see the way I'm linking it. So I will click on confirm now and it's going to be linked to my wallet guys. So That is another feature you can use with your Super Wallet application. Then you can also explore the app, all right, do all the tasks as you can see it here one after the other. I hope this helps you guys. Thank you so much. Welcome back, friends. I hope you enjoyed this review. Then feel free to like and share this video with your friends. Don't forget to follow me and turn on the notification bell so you can be alerted for my next videos like this. I am Mike Akerele, aka Awesome Mike. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.